Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder and this is the Blocs WordPress course in which I will show you how to add a WordPress block to your Blocs app website. So basically there are many ways we can use WordPress these blocks. It is very flexible. And to give you 3 examples, first one, you can build just the style, basically the theme using Blocs app, and then use WordPress dashboard to add all of the content, all of the pages, all of the posts, all of the menus using WordPress. The second scenario is complete opposite. You can create pretty much everything in blocks, like menus, pages, posts, everything. And then just let WordPress handle some custom fields, some certain areas of your website. This is basically what I've done for my Blocs templates website, which I converted to WordPress recently. And there is also kind of the third way, the third method, hybrid method, which is actually, I think, one of the most popular ones for any Blocs user. It is when you use Blocs to build the overall layout of your website, maybe even manage the menus, and then you use WordPress to just add the dynamic parts to your website. So for example, you can build all of the static pages like homepage, like about page, whatever, contact page, these blocks, and then use WordPress to add a news page. There's all of the posts inside there. So when you need to update a blog post or publish some news on your website, you don't go to Blocs anymore, you go to WordPress, log into your account from any browser in the world, and you can easily add the new post. So for situations like this, I think WordPress is a good option. And if you kind of still have all of the advantages of a Blocs website there, so very high performance, very fast, very customizable, you can create pretty much any layout, and then just let WordPress handle the dynamic parts, which are kind of repetitive sometimes. They kind of require you to like recreate all of the layouts every time. For that, using CMS like WordPress is a good option. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to rebuild my own website, eldargazalov.com, using WordPress. Or not the rebuild, I should say I will convert the Blocs project, which I already have created using Blocs 5, I will convert it into WordPress theme. And on this website, there are a few things, few kind of areas which I want to be dynamic. So for example, landing page or like services page or even like about page are perfect as it is. These are static, I don't change them often, so they will stay as it is. But for example, for the news page, this one is updated pretty much very often. Sometimes a couple of times per week, sometimes every day. The last time I updated it, it was October. So you can see that I kind of forgot about this website for a while because I've been busy creating other websites, as you know, Blocs Library, Blocs Templates, and others, Blocs Master. And one of the reasons why it hasn't been updated is because I just felt kind of lazy to go to Blocs, open the project and like update all of this manually. If it was kind of uploaded to the server as a WordPress theme, I could just easily log into my WordPress account and by clicking a few buttons, update my website without re-uploading the whole thing to the web. So I think that this page, news page, will be perfect to rebuild or kind of convert to WordPress. In addition to that, we also have Blocs templates here. This is, of course, separate from the Blocs templates website I have recently rebuilt. You can also access it from here. As you can see, this is also WordPress website, which I rebuilt from scratch. But on my own website, I also have these Blocs templates, and I think that these are also good kind of opportunities to show you how we can create custom post types for templates. So what my website will have is all of the static pages plus news page, there's all of its posts, and Blocs templates page, there's all of the products inside, product pages. So this is what we will do in this course. I will set up the WordPress server starting from the next video. Then we will move on to setting up the project. And then I will show you how to step by step convert this website properly into WordPress theme.